Wherever you work, hazards are something you have to take seriously. From hot surfaces to harmful fumes, workplace hazards can cause some nasty injuries and illnesses if you don't take the proper precautions. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is what you wear to protect yourself from these hazards. PPE minimizes your exposure to hazards, so you can work without worrying about getting hurt. Think hard hats, safety goggles, bodysuits, and earplugs or muffs. They might not be winning you any fashion competitions, but they will save you from any nasty injuries. OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, has standards so everyone knows when PPE should be used to keep workers safe. This course lays out OSHA guidance so you know when you need PPE, the different types of PPE and which to use depending on the situation, and the specific training you need to receive before using new PPE.